Hello everyone. Welcome to our Chrome Music Lab series, where we make music theory fun. Today we're going to explore chords, the emotional foundation of music. Let's open our browser and go to Chrome Music Lab. On the experiments page, we'll scroll down a bit to find our tool for today, the chords experiment, and click on it. Here we have a simple piano keyboard. When we click the question mark in the top right, it gives us the basic info. A basic chord is made up of 3 notes. You can click or press any key to play a chord that starts on that note. By default, we're in major mode. Major chords generally sound happy, cheerful, and bright. Let's move across the keyboard and hear just how lively and positive these chords feel. Each key gives us a perfect major chord. Now it's time to change the mood of the music. We'll slide the switch at the bottom from major to minor. Minor chords, on the other hand, typically create a sadder, more thoughtful, and melancholic atmosphere. Let's press the same keys now. You can instantly feel the emotional difference, right? Our happy melody suddenly became more introspective. This tool doesn't just play chords all at once. By pressing and holding the mouse on a key, you can also hear the notes of the chord one by one, which is called an arpeggio. First, let's listen to the mysterious vibe of these minor arpeggios. Now let's switch back to major and do the same thing. Even the arpeggios have suddenly brightened up and become cheerful. This is where the magic of music lies. By changing just a single note, you can shift the entire feeling of a composition from happy to sad. This simple tool is a fantastic way to understand this fundamental difference between major and minor chords. You can create your own little chord progressions to explore the emotional power of music. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.